Internet Safety, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic in our digital world, internet safety. Understanding this will help you navigate the online space more safely and confidently. Let's dive in. Internet safety refers to the practices and knowledge that help you stay safe while using the internet. It's about protecting your personal information, staying safe from online threats, and knowing how to behave responsibly online. In this digital age, being aware of these safety measures is crucial. In this section, we'll explore why internet safety is so essential. The internet, while full of resources and opportunities, can also pose risks like identity theft, cyberbullying, and exposure to inappropriate content. Understanding these risks helps you navigate the online world more wisely and safely. Here, we'll share some practical tips for staying safe online. 1. Protect your personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal details like your address, phone number, and financial information. 2. Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords and change them regularly. 3. Be aware of scams. Learn how to identify suspicious emails and offers. 4. Safe browsing. Avoid visiting unsecured websites, and use privacy settings on your browsers and social media accounts. 5. Be responsible and respectful. Understand the impact of your online actions and respect others' privacy. Cyberbullying is a serious issue online. We'll discuss what it is, how to recognize it, and what to do if you or someone you know is being cyberbullied. It's important to speak up and seek help if you encounter this. This section is particularly helpful for parents and educators. We'll talk about how they can play a role in teaching and guiding young people about safe and responsible internet use. Open communication and setting clear guidelines are key. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of internet safety and why it's so important. Remember, staying informed and cautious can make your online experience much safer and more enjoyable. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video.